Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to locate the fuse panel on the inside of your 2017 Ford Escape. If you open the owner's manual, the fuse diagram is on page 228, and it's kind of cut off between 227 and 228, but passenger compartment fuse panel is on the right side below the glove box. So we're gonna go to the passenger side here, and it's not a normal kind of deal with a plastic cover. It's just this this kind of cloth material here, and so there's this little screw thing here. You're gonna just pull it off, pinch it and pull it off, and there's one right here too. Pinch it and pull it off, and then you can just pull this cloth thing down, and now you have access to the fuse panel. And so that's how you access the fuse panel. To reinstall this cover here, you're going to put the holes back over these clips, and you're going to kind of get it into position, and then these things, they just get pushed back on there, and that's it.